Alright guys, so I've recorded this video like 4 times, so whatever happens this time, it's just gonna happen. Because I don't feel like recording it anymore. But anyway, hello, my name is Caleb Bourgeois. I'm Wolfsense on PlayStation. I don't have an Xbox. Well, actually I do have an Xbox, but I prefer PlayStation. I think it's a lot more fun. And also I'm gonna be probably playing Call of Duty, Zombies, stuff like that. Probably my favorite YouTuber, and the whole reason I want to do this is Syndicate. And if you don't know who Syndicate is, just look him up. You'd probably like him if you like some of the Zombies and Black Ops 2 videos. He does a lot of like challenges and Minecraft. He does Minecraft, although he hasn't posted that in a while. By the way, I play with Ronin28 and Mindless Gamer 1234. Mindless Gamer is Phoenix, but he doesn't have a YouTube channel. But Ronin28 is got the hiccups. Ronin28 is Trent. His YouTube name is Oh My Bejeezy Dude, and that's pretty much it. You should go subscribe to him, and please subscribe to me. I plan to be uploading videos soon. I'll probably just do like videos like this for now. I might live stream on Black Ops with that little toolbar thing. Maybe upload some weird little 360s, quick scopes. I don't even know. I might do like some quad feeds or something, because I got a couple of those that I have saved. But if you do want to see stuff like that, and possibly Battlefield 2 videos, and maybe Minecraft, you should probably subscribe to me. And subscribe to Oh My Bejeezy Dude, because we're probably going to be playing a lot of YouTube together. So, not YouTube. What am I on about? Not YouTube videos. We're not playing YouTube videos. We'll probably be playing a lot of zombies. Maybe like, we like to play tactically on Black Ops, like call outs, all that stuff to play. And pretty much that's how it's going to be. If you want to see us do stuff like that, it's really fun. So if that's what you want to see, you can just click that subscribe button, and pretty much that's it. Bye.